Welcome to Tablescape Tuesday. This is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and our guest is Jean Home Decor and More. And the theme is pumpkins and pine cones. So here is my Thanksgiving Day tablescape. Okay, I'm going to start here with a little pumpkin on top of each place setting. And I have my Lenox china, the dinner plate and the salad plate. And then I have this beautiful orange with gold trim charger, Amazon for the chargers. The Lenox plates was a gift, and I have showcased those many times before. Now the centerpiece is a dough bowl with pumpkins and pine cones in it. And here is the matching coffee cup. And my napkin is this cream color with a beaded tassel napkin ring. Now, as far as my centerpiece, I have this really pretty dough bowl that's orange inside with pine cones, orange flowers, and pumpkins. And then two of the place settings have my pumpkin dessert plates with a little pumpkin on top. And I have my little pilgrim bears I've had for years. And a candle that's orange in color and a gold candle holder. And here is the turkey. There's two turkeys there. So another look at the centerpiece. And then here's the other plate with the pumpkins on it. Those I ordered from Amazon. And another look at my napkin and really cute napkin ring. Those were from Amazon also. As well as the table runner here with the embroidered fall leaves, which I believe is really pretty. I think this is like the second time I've used that this year. Okay, I'm going to give you two centerpiece ideas. Now here is the second one, which is in a large pitcher with some orange flowers. And I'll be adding some pine cones to it as well. And I really like these pine cones because they're already on a stick for me, so I can just put them down in the pitcher. So you'll have to let me know which centerpiece you like better, the dough bowl with all the pumpkins or the pitcher with the orange flowers and pine cones. Okay, before I forget, now I'm going to be adding these large wine glasses that I purchased at the Dollar General. Now I'm going to be using them for ice water. But here is what the second centerpiece tablescape looks like. And as you can see, I have my fall tree there in the corner. And I did add some twinkle lights to it and a fall ribbon and leaves to the top. I did have a large buffalo check bow. Here's my little bird that says Happy Thanksgiving. And another one. And then up here on the shelf, I have a couple more of my pumpkin plates and a couple cups. But I'm going to be adding this rooster cup because it belongs to my mother, and so I do want to display it for Thanksgiving. Now she's passed away, so this is a way of reminding me of her. Okay, now I have lit the candles. Well, I've lit one. I'm going to be lighting the other one here in a minute. And I do hope Jean likes what I prepared for Tablescape Tuesday. Now, if you all would, go and check out the playlist and leave everyone a comment and a like. And if you like the Tablescape Tuesdays, this is open to anyone who would like to join. So we encourage anyone who would like to join. Remember to just hashtag Tablescape Tuesday 25. See you all next week. Bye-bye for now.